Okay, today's date is June 30th, 2026. I'm going to be reviewing the trade I took today on uh, the S&P 500. Nasdaq and the S&P mm, were kind of similar today. There was a bearish S&P to start off the day from these highs. I'll show it real quick. Bang, down, and then up. Bearish S&P that ended up getting completed once Nasdaq took out those highs. Nasdaq took out these highs going into market open. I wanted these lows swept and us continuing higher. You can see we have 12-hour fair value gap here, some liquidity down here, 4-hour gap too, and just overall, I felt like this was a great draw to come up and come take out these highs. We didn't see hardly any move down past 9:30. Everything was up. Um, I was even considering taking shorts if there was really good manipulation here, taking shorts to the downside. That never came. Um, and I wasn't going to short from here on the 3 minute down to equilibrium. I wanted equilibrium to get filled so I could catch longs. Um, I wasn't going to take shorts down from equilibrium just because of how far we pushed up. Normally, once you see a push up this high, for me personally, I'm no longer um, looking for shorts because I want to trade with the trend. And if we were going to see these lows get taken, I would say once these London highs get taken, we see strong manipulation to the downside. So and then here, and then immediate manipulation. We did not see that. What we saw was more, you can see here, and then move all the way up here. Once we're up here, we're just going to come out and take this high out and this daily high as well. Um, so once I saw this liquidity point, I knew we were going to come take this, and then this is a daily, as you can see, it's marked. We did end up hitting the exact price point of equilibrium. I know it kind of doesn't show it on the chart, but 7516.75, and then you can see the low of this is that exact price point. So if this was a limit order, you probably wouldn't have got filled fully here. Um, if you did take shorts to equilibrium, which I did not. What the trade I did take today was from once equilibrium got hit here, I wanted to say a market structure break. We saw that on this candle close here. You get the candle close. We see this fair value gap get tapped on the 3 minute. This is all in the 3 minute time frame. Um, I'll comment more on this. This is a market structure break. Why? Because this is a blue candle here. This is a blue candle, which to me signifies a move up. So we break in a downtrend here. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up. We get a close above this blue candle high. Market structure shift, break, whatever you want to call it. This fair value gap gets tapped. There's a BPR here. That never gets tapped, but the fair value gap gets tapped. I'll mark out the fair value gap. And then I'm looking for a 30-second continuation. And we see that a little bit later. And I actually didn't get that great of a fill here. So here's the continuation. I think my stops were here. First TP here. The risk reward is a little bit better on the minis, or I mean on the micros. And then TP1, main TP, TP3. That was the trade. That's what I took. Yeah, never swept sell side. Once we saw this, once I saw equilibrium get filled, plus strong draws and liquidity like daily highs here, I was continuing the bullish bias, and that's the trade I took today. Um, yeah,